Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to delete a folder in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the home page and go to the particular folder that you would like to delete. Here I would like to delete this social media folder. Okay, what I have to do is long press on the social media folder and click on delete folder here, and here it will ask you to confirm. Okay, the apps in the folder will still be available on the app screen. Okay, apps will not be deleted. Okay, only the folder will be deleted, and our apps will be removed from the folder. Okay, click on delete here, and yes, folder now disposed, and apps are restored to app screens. Okay, so in this way you can easily delete your folder in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.